Good morning, students. Today's topic is critical miscellaneous concentration and their importance. In this topic, discussing about introduction to miscellaneous, types of miscellaneous, structure of miscellaneous, critical miscellaneous concentration, determination of critical miscellaneous concentration, factors affecting on critical miscellaneous concentration. In dilute solutions, amphiphiles or monomers tend to reduce the surface tension. As the concentration of molecules of surfactants goes on increasing, they disturb the hydrogen structure. To minimize disturbance, molecules tend to form aggregates into a structure. These structures are called as miscellaneous. Amphiphilic molecule is known as surface active agents. When surfactant is added to water, they first oriented themselves in liquid and air interfaces. As the concentration of surfactant is added more, the molecules absorbed at the surface get crowded until they are so tightly packed so that any further occupancy at interface interface would require compression of the surfactant molecules at the interface. The further increment the behind the concentration causes molecules are aggregate into miscellaneous. The concentration is called as critical miscellaneous concentration. After this point, any further addition of surfactants increases the molecules at the interface, but the concentration miscellaneous and associated molecules increases in direction proportional to increasing in their overall surfactant concentration. At lower concentration, there are appeared as spherical miscellaneous. In the further increase in the concentration of surfactants, it can converted into cylindrical miscellaneous. Critical miscellaneous concentration. It is defined as the surface become completely loaded with surfactant. At further addition must arrange the miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is an aggregate of monomers, surfactants, molecules dispersed in a liquid colloid. It contains two portions: hydrophilic head portion and hydrophobic tail regions in the miscellaneous center. Inverse miscellaneous having head groups at the center and tails extending out. Miscellaneous formation. The process of formation of miscellaneous is called as miscellization. Typical miscellaneous are spherical in shape, having 50 to 100 monomers. The number of monomers to form miscellaneous is called as aggregation number. This is a process involved in formation of a miscellization. Surface active agent in bulk concentration. When surface active agent is added with excess amount, surface is saturated with surface active agents. Excess amount present in bulk to form aggregates, that is called as miscellaneous. There are structure. Coming to structure of miscellaneous, miscellaneous are available in smaller in size 3 to 50 nanometers. Aggregation number is 10 to 170. For ionic surfactants, for non-ionic surfactants having 30 to 10,000. Types of miscellaneous: oil in water type and water in oil type. In oil in water type of miscellaneous, head portion is projected into outwards and hydrophobic portion is projected into inwards. In this solution, aqueous solutions are dispersed. Water in oil type, dispersion type of missile is hydrophilic head is projected into center and hydrophobic tail portion is projected into outwards. In these compounds, organic compounds are filled. Critical missile concentration. The lowest concentration at which missile first appeared is called as critical missile concentration. The critical missile concentration is the point at which surfactant molecules aggregate together in liquid to form groups known as micelles. The critical micellar concentration of the surfactants indicates the point at which surface active properties are optimum performance. Increasing the concentration of surfactant beyond the CMC, change in number and shape but not provide the increase in concentration of monomeric species. CMC play an important role in characteristics of surfactants. Before reaching the CMC, surface tension changes strongly with concentration of surfactant. As the concentration of surfactant can be increases, surface tension can be initially decreases. It will reach a constant value on further addition of surfactant. Surface tension can be decreases. The value of CMC for given dispersant in a given medium depending on also temperature, pressure and presence and concentration of other surfactant agents. This micelles only form above critical micelles temperature. For example, sodium dodecyl sulfate in water at 25 degrees centigrade having 18 to 24 minus m moles per liter. Upon induction of surfactants, surface tension can be decreases by lowering the energy of interface or removing the hydrophobic parts or surfactants from contact with water. Subsequently, when the surface coverage by surfactants increases, surface free energy can be decreases and surfactant start aggregates into micelles. This causes decreasing in the surface free energy and contact area of hydrophobic parts of surfactant with water. Upon reaching the critical micelles concentration, any further addition of surfactants will just increase the number of micelles. Increasing the concentration of surfactant in water, slowly forming a layer on surface and eventually form a micelles and also form a critical micelles concentration. Determination of micelles. There are different types of methods used for determination of critical micelles concentration based upon the surface tension, conductivity and turbidity. At low concentration, surfactant only slight change in surface tension detected. On further addition of surfactant decreases the surface tension. Surface becomes saturated with surfactants, no further changing their surface tension. The point at which surface tension is changes that is called as critical micelles concentration. This principle is works on surface tension. Conductivity. Below the CMC, addition of surfactant to a aqueous solution causes increasing the number of charges carriers and consequently increases the conductivity. Above the CMC, further addition of surfactant increases the micellar concentration. Monomer concentration remain constant. Since micellar is much larger than monomer, it diffuses more slowly through solution and it is less efficient carrier. Turbidity. Turbidity is surface activity observed by adding proper amount of hydrocarbon solution with surfactants. The concentration of turbidity point is mutation surface active agent of CMC. There are different types of factors which influencing on critical miscellaneous concentration related to structure of hydrophobic groups. Length of hydrocarbon chain. As increasing the hydrocarbon chain length, it decreases the CMC at constant temperature. Number of carbon chain can be atoms in chain and AB having increases. Micellar size can be increases. Branched chain hydrocarbons. Branching chain hydrocarbon causes increasing the CMC because due to decrease the free energy. Unsaturation. Increasing the double bonds in the surfactants, CMC also can be increases. Addition of surfactants decreases the salts. It is also depending on number of concentration and number of charged by generation. Miscellaneous size can be increases. Addition of other surfactants lower the CMC values. By the addition of alcohols, CMC can be decreases. Effect of temperature with non-ionic surfactants and increasing the temperature causes decreases the critical micellar concentration as the micellar size can be increases. The temperature has comparatively small effect on micellar properties of a ionic surfactants. At certain temperatures, aqueous solution of many non-ionic surfactants become turbid. This characteristic temperature is called as cloud temperature. This process is reversible when cooling the above solution of non-ionic surfactant solution of aqueous. The solution can be restore clarity. The turbidity at the cloud point is due to separation of two solutions or two phases due to loss of water of hydration of polar ends of miscellaneous surfactant rich phase tend to separate from surfactant poor phase. The cloud point is sensitive to additives in the system and can increase or decreases the clouding temperature. Critical micellar concentration changes the colligative properties of osmotic pressure, surface tension and freezing point and boiling point also values can be also changes. By the use of surfactants, solubility of a solutions can be increases. At low temperatures, solubility can be increases. The concentration of surfactants can be increases. The solubility of drug also can be increases. The temperature at which solubility of drug can be increases, that is called as Craft point. this is today's class discussing about what is critical micellar concentration, what are the various types of methods used for determination of critical micellar concentration, and explain the various types of factors which influencing on critical micellar concentration. Thank you.